everybody, this is the website boy again with tutorial number 7, complex math operations. Now, don't get scared. It's not complicated. I promise. It's very easy. I just figure I put this name there because it sounds cool, right? But it requires a little more work than just regular math, but it's a little bit, it's very easy, right? Trust me, you're gonna like it. I don't like math and you're gonna like it, all right? So anyways, for those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it right now, all right? Click that button there. Automatically you will be subscribed, and you can just start benefiting from actually getting an email every time I upload one of my videos. For those of you that want to do everything like me, very simple. I use Sublime Text and the Emmet plugin. I provide a video on how to install that. Very simple to do though. You can just go and Google it, Sublime Text, and download it. Download the free trial. For those of you that want to do something free, Notepad++ is for Windows. You can use that. And Text Wrangler for Mac is also free, all right? For those of you that see this thumbs up, please click it if you like my videos. I really will appreciate that you do that. It motivates me to make 100 million more videos, all right? Those of you that want to download the exercise files, you can download it here at the websiteboy.com/snippets, and you can also watch these tutorials in my website. Very, very cool to watch in there too. For those of you that like my videos and you do it all the time, thank you so much. I really appreciate it very much. It actually is really cool that you guys do that. Thank you. Now let's go ahead and let's do some complex math operations. All right, I wanted to show you how to do some complex math operations. So let's go ahead and open up our JavaScript folder. And if you don't have this exercise, go to the bottom of the video, click on the link and download it from my website. Let's go ahead and open up our code editor and let's drag the blank.html into it. Let's open up our script tags to write some JavaScript, and let's do a save as. Let's save it as a complex math.html, complex. Save it. Let's get the browser out. Let's drag that complex underscore math.html in there. And now that we have this file here, let's start writing some JavaScript. So let's say, for example, we have a variable called, so we are declaring a variable, and it's going to be called total amount. And we want to do some math operations to kind of do this fancy application, right, on JavaScript. So let's say, for example, I have 1 plus 4, and then guess what? We can keep doing operations here. And let's do a 10. And if I alert this out, and it's a very good idea to copy and paste this in there. If I alert this out on the screen, I will get 41. And now you might be wondering, what in the world is this, right? 1 plus 4 is 5, and then times it's supposed to be 50, isn't it? Well, it's not. And the reason why is because the math in JavaScript works just like the math that you did back in school, if you ever did. So in order for us to actually do this math operation before do this, we have to specify it, and we do this by doing the parentheses, and then we go back here and we refresh it, and this is how we get the answer. You see that? So we put the parentheses just like in school, and we specify that we want to do this first, and that's how you do that. Now let's say, for example, let's change this a little bit. Let me just copy this below, and let's just comment this out. Let's say, for example, that I want to multiply this, right? And I want to multiply the 10 this times, I don't know, 10. Let's do something simple, right? Let's do plus 2, right? So I want to multiply 1 times 4, and then after that I want to multiply by 10 plus 2. If I alert this out, then I get 42. Very simple, right? Just like in school. You get 1 times 4 is 4, and then after that it has to multiply again because it has a multiplication here. Then it gets 40, and then plus 2 is 42, just like we did here. Very simple, very easy to do. I just wanted to explain how this works, and then you can do the same thing with division. You can do the same thing with minuses. It works just like in school. You see, you get a negative 28. All right. So I wanted to explain that to you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like it, like the video, share it with your friends, and let's go to the next video. And I'm glad that you are choosing me to learn JavaScript.